Good morning everyone. In this video I am going to present the poster entitled Nitrogen doped carbon nanotubes decorated with iron carbide, nanoparticles and their electrochemical capacitance. As an introduction, it is worth mentioning that carbon nanotubes are allotropes of carbon arising by rolling a graphene sheet into a tubular shape. Iijima reported the first multi-walled carbon nanotubes obtained from soot using the discharge method. Currently, there are several methods for synthesizing carbon nanotubes, with the most popular being laser ablation, electrolysis, arc discharge, and chemical vapor deposition. Each of these methods has its advantage and disadvantage, which are related to the different growth mechanisms of carbon nanotubes, and these in turn generate carbon nanotubes with different particular properties. Due to the potential applications of energy storage devices such as in portable electronics, power supply devices, and electric vehicles, carbon nanostructure-based supercapacitors have attracted great research interest. The multi-walled carbon nanotubes samples were synthesized by the spray pyrolysis method using a quartz reactor heated by an electric furnace at 50 degrees Celsius. For this work, in the results area we can see same image of the morphology obtained in our samples. Clusters of carbon nanotubes are generally observed. The Raman spectroscopy technique was used to quantify the defects in the synthesized materials. In general, it was observed that the higher the catalyst concentration, the greater the amount of amorphous carbon. However, this is not a negative result, since the sample with the highest amount of amorphous and defective carbon is the one that presents the best response in specific capacitance. Values up to 275 farads per gram were obtained. In conclusion, we can observe that by varying the concentration of ethanol benzylamine in the reaction mixture, as well as the concentration of the catalyst, carbon nanostructures have been synthesized. The synthesized samples show different morphologies, which mainly depend on the catalyst concentration. In high ethanol concentration, carbon nano-onions are decorating the walls of nitrogen multi-walled carbon nanotubes, while in low ethanol concentrations, they are generally segregated from nitrogen multi-walled carbon nanotubes. Thank you very much.